Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically update contact owners with Salesforce Flow. This is incredibly useful when you want to ensure that whenever an account owner changes, all associated contacts are automatically reassigned to the new owner, keeping your CRM organized without manual updates. First, head to Setup by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, then select Setup from the drop-down menu. This is your control center for all Salesforce configurations and automations. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type in Flows, and from the results that appear, click on Flows under the Process Automation section. This is where you'll build your automation to handle contact ownership updates. Now click on New Flow to start creating your automation. Salesforce will present you with several flow types, but for this task, select Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow runs automatically when specific conditions are met on a record, making it perfect for our contact ownership update scenario. Next, set the object to account. This tells Salesforce that your flow will monitor changes happening on account records. After that, select A record is updated as the trigger. This ensures the flow only runs when an existing account is modified, not when new accounts are created. Under Condition Requirements, select All conditions are met, and this section determines exactly when your flow should trigger. Set the field to Owner ED, Operator to is changed, and the value to True. This configuration means the flow will only run when the account owner field is actually modified, preventing unnecessary processing. Now it's time to define what happens when the trigger fires. Click the plus sign after the start element and select Update Records. This action will handle the actual contact owner updates. Label this action Update Contacts, then select Specify Conditions to identify records, and set fields individually. This gives you precise control over which contacts get updated and how. Set the object to Contact since we're updating contact records. Under Filter Conditions, set Condition Requirements to All conditions are met, and now set the field to Account ED, Operator to Equals, and for the value, select the Triggering Account option, then select Account ID. This ensures you're only updating contacts that belong to the account whose owner just changed. Scroll down to the section labeled Set Field Values for the contact records. Here, set the field to Owner ED, and for the value, select Triggering Account, then select Owner ID. This is the critical step that assigns the new account owner to all matching contacts. Click Save, then enter the flow label as Auto Update Contact Owners and click Save again. Your flow is now configured, but it's not running yet. Finally, click Activate to turn on your flow. From this moment forward, whenever an account owner changes, all contacts linked to that account will automatically inherit the new owner. And there you have it. You've successfully automated contact owner updates in Salesforce using Flow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.